That's a good girl. Yeah. That's my good girl. All right, come on, let's show the crate. All right. This is 8-week-old puppy. Crate training. This is our crate in her bedroom, right? This is where she sleeps all night. Sometimes, not every time, the first night for sure, second night, I tried getting in the bed. Third night I had to come put my pillow right here and sleep right here. Because I want her to stay in the crate all night without getting too crazy. So I put a little toy in there for her. I put a towel. This is a bath mat. And I got this little bear. And she has a little cookie in there too. This little bear has a heartbeat in it. I don't know if she likes a heartbeat or not. But we've already done crate training in here a couple times. And so what that means, hi baby girl. I'm gonna leave her leash on just for a minute. Come on, come on. You got all food in there still. Look at. Come on. Look. So I take all the bedding out when I'm gonna do the crate training so she can hear the kibble bounce out the bottom of the crate. Good job. We want her to be comfortable in her crate. Find it as a place of safety. And so I feed her in the crate. And I also have some of that high value hamburger and some of her kibble that I'm going to work with. Good girl. So I get her to come out. Good girl. I'm going to throw both the kibble and the hamburger in there. Come on. Yeah, you know what I got. Go crate. Crate, crate. Good girl. Let her finish it all. I like to give her a little treat before she comes out. Slow her down a little bit. Now we have her attention so I can take the leash off. Come on. Cook. Good girl. Get her to come out. So she's practicing going in and out of the crate, not just getting food in the crate. There you go. Crate, come on. And these are tiny kibbles. Otherwise I'd just throw one or two in there. But she does a pretty good job of cleaning them all out. There you go, baby. There you go. Good girl. Now I'll give her another hamburger and some kibble. Good girl. Crate. Come on. Crate. See, get her to go in there and not throw it in there. Good girl. Although I think the hamburger might have landed on her. Sometimes I'll throw a couple extras in there to make it super fun. Good. Good girl. Okay. That begins her release word. Good job, baby girl. All right, let's get you some more hamburger. Let's get some good stuff in here. All right, go in your crate. Come on, crate. Good job. And so this would be probably a third of her breakfast. I'm gonna feed her doing this crate training in the morning. I'll do it in the kitchen. Good girl. She wasn't quite sure she was coming out. Good girl. Okay. Okay. Come on. Cook. Come on. Okay. Come on. Cook. Good girl. She's like, maybe I'll just stay in the crate. That's where the good stuff is. All right, wait from the camera. Come on, good girl. Crate, come on, crate. Good girl. Crate. Good girl. Okay, come on. Good job. Crate. Go in your crate. You gotta go in here. Go in there. teaching her to find treats on the floor. Good girl. Okay, come on. She's like, I don't want to come home. I'll give you high value. Cook, come on. Come on, come on. Okay, good girl. Good job. That's a good little baby girl. Yes, yes. Okay, let's go in your crate. Yes. Good job. Cook. Come on. Okay, come on. Good girl. There you go. Good girl. Crate. Go in your crate. She's starting to get it when I get up on my knees. That's when she goes in the crate. Good girl. Okay. Higher value. Cook. Good. Okay. Good girl. There you go. Good job. Yeah. You like that? You're just going to stay in the crate? All right. That's a good idea. Cookie. Good girl. You go in your crate? Are you all done? Where are you going? I'm going in your crate? Crate. Yes. Good girl. That's about it. I think she's getting tired. Tummy's getting full. Okay. Okay. Come on, Cookie. Good girl. Good job. Oh, it's a little star. Mwah. You are a little star. You are? Are you a little star? I'm hoping she's got a little ear coming up over there. Is your little ear starting to come up? Come on. That's a good girl. Yeah, you're sitting on your crate. Oh, don't bang my fingers so much. Good girl. Yeah. That's a good baby. Puppies will bite everything right in front of their face. Good girl. Okay. Okay. Good girl. Did you hear that thunder? Yeah, good girl.